for watching Alpha Kids.
Hey kids, I am Apple. Today we learn about fruits name. So let's fun and enjoy with me. Apple. This is apple. Pear. This is pear. Banana. This is banana. Orange. This is orange. Lemon. Oh, this is lemon. Peach. Oh, peach. Grapes. Grapes. This is melon. Melon. Pineapple. And this is plum. Kiwi. Watermelon. Let's pick the right fruits. Pick the kiwi. Yes, this is kiwi. Pick the orange. Pick the grapes. Oh, good. This is grapes. Pick the apple. This is apple. Pick the melon. No, this is melon. Pick the pear. This is pear. Pick the watermelon. This is watermelon. Pick the banana. This is banana. Oh, good job. Very good job. Pick the pineapple. This is pineapple. Pick the lemon. Oh, good. This is lemon. Pick the pear. This is peach. Pick the plum. This is plum. Woo-hoo! You done very good job. Goodbye. See you. Don't forget subscribe my channel.